Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add any contact to favorites in Zangi. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus at the bottom of the screen, right next to settings. You can see an icon like this. Click on it right now. And as such, all your contacts will be made visible right here. Well, there are two ways to add to favorites. One thing you can do is simply click on this add to favorites button right here. If you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Simply select the contact of your choice. And once you've done that, simply click on the tick button. Else what you can do is simply go to the person's profile. Let's say this is the person that I want to add to favorites. I'm gonna click on it right now. And once you are in this page, all you guys need to do is click on this button that says add to favorites. Click on it. And that is it. That's how we add any person to favorites in Zangi. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.